Every woman should know these 15 tricks with baking soda. Most of us already have baking soda in the kitchen, as it is used to raise dough when baking bread. Yet, it can also be used as a household cleaning agent and offers powerful medicinal properties. Here are some tricks to use baking soda and ease your everyday life. Relieves acid reflux and heartburn. Add a bit of baking soda to a glass of water and drink it to relieve heartburn and acid reflux. Whitens your teeth. To whiten the teeth, brush them with some baking soda on a daily basis. Relieves sunburns. Add some baking soda to water and apply the beneficial mixture to the affected areas to relieve the redness and soothe the irritated skin. Relieves bad breath. Mix it with some water and gargle to get rid of the bacteria in the mouth that cause bad breath. Relieves stretch marks. Use it to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Treats hard skin. Rub some baking soda on the rough skin areas on the feet and elbows and you will successfully soften it. A natural deodorant. Mix some water in baking soda and apply the paste on the underarms to eliminate bad odor and freshen the area. Improves the volume and look of your hair. Add a bit of baking soda to your shampoo and wash the hair to boost its volume and improve its appearance. A natural facial scrub. Add some baking soda to water to prepare a paste and use it as a facial scrub to treat skin issues and eliminate acne, blackheads, and whiteheads.